Hello boys and girls, it's Mrs. Bird, and today we're going to be working on our last subtraction strategy. So first we need to go over some important words. Subtract. When you subtract, you take some away and get a smaller number. We had 8 donuts, and then we take away 5, and we put an X on those to take away in the picture. We subtracted. We took those 5 away, and now we have less donuts left. Now we have 3 donuts left. 3 is smaller than 8. Minus. The minus sign tells us to subtract. 8 minus 5. Equals. The equal sign helps show what's left. 8 minus 5 equals 3. The difference. The difference is the answer or what is left after you've taken some away. So an 8 minus 5, the difference or answer is 3. Remember, when we add, the answer is called the sum, but when we subtract, the answer is called the difference. Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. The word minuend and our next one, subtrahend. Do you need to know those in kindergarten? No, you don't. So if you don't remember it, it's okay. But will you be the smartest kids in the universe for knowing it? Absolutely. I am very confident that if you ask almost any adult, your parents, your grandparents, your aunt, your uncle, if they know what a minuend or a subtrahend is, they will not know, and they will be so impressed that you do. So that's really why I'm teaching it to you. So the first one is the minuend. The minuend is that first number that's going to have something taken away from it. So an 8 minus 5 equals 3. The minuend is 8 because we started with 8 donuts. The subtrahend is the number that's being taken away, however many we are putting an X on. And 8 minus 5 equals 3. The subtrahend is 5 because we X'd out 5. We are taking them away. I'm sure they are eaten. Okay, boys and girls, so today we are learning how to use a number line. So in 5 minus 1, we would start by drawing our number line. If you don't have one at home, just draw a line. Start with 0 at one side and leave some space between each line, and then write your numbers in order underneath it, or ask your parents to help you. Now for 5 minus 1, you start at your 5, and then we're going to count backwards or get smaller when we take away. So hop 1 backwards. Now you're at the number 4. Let me show you what this looks like. 4 minus 2. So I am going to start at number 4, which is my minuend. Remember, I'm taking away 2. When we take away 2, we have to get smaller. So I'm going to go backwards. 1, 2, and what did I land on? I landed on 2. That is the difference. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 4 minus 4. So I have to start at 4 and then hop backwards 4. So here's where I start 4 and hop back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know I did it correctly because I made 4 hops and I got smaller. So my difference or answer is 0. 10 minus 3. I want you to think, where should I start? What number would you start on? 10. That's our first number, our minuend. Minus 3. That means I get smaller. How many should I hop? 3. So I'm going to hop 1, 2, 3. What did I land on? 7. 7 is the difference. All right, this is the last one. See if you can read the number sentence with me. Ready? 9 minus 4 equals. What number should I start on? 9. Now that minus means I'm hopping backwards. I'm getting smaller. So I'm definitely going to go that way to get smaller. How many should I hop? 4. Okay. Watch me and make sure that I only hop 4. Here's 1 hop, 2 hops, 3 hops, 4 hops. And you can count the bumps, right? Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know I have enough. And I landed on 5. So the difference is 5. See if you can read the whole number sentence with me now. Ready? 9 minus 4 equals 5. Great job, boys and girls. Whenever you're using a number line, a couple of important things to make sure that you do. Make sure you count your bumps. Make sure you did the right amount, because I have seen so many kids that would go 1, 2, 3, 4, and they would land on the wrong thing because they started counting before they actually jumped. The other thing I saw a lot was where kids wouldn't go to every number. They might have gone like this. And they do a half a jump. Make sure you touch the line. All right. Talk to you soon.